my channel if you're not, welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle and I'm back with another hair video, and today's sponsor is LuvMe Hair. Worked with them many a times. You know, the quality, lace and hair is always there, and they always send these cute little goodie bags, and their bags are so cute. Like, get into the holographic. But they always come with you know, the edge brush and the silk wrap, but this was new. That little, I almost called it a camera, that little mirror was so nice. And this is the actual hair. So all of the specs of this hair will be in the description box, because you guys know I don't really remember off the top. I know it's a 24-inch, I can't remember the texture, but it's 24-inch HD lace glueless wig. And as you tell by the title, it's 100% glueless, gel-less, hairsprayless, all that. Because y'all saw me in the first part, you know, pulling it up and stuff. But yes, this is just me putting it on, and when I was putting it on, don't mind my braid. My hair is not in cornrows, it's in one big braid. I'm really neglecting myself right now. Don't judge me, you know, we don't do that here. But here I'm just making sure that it's matching up, and you know, it's fitting how it should fit. In that ball cap, or not even the, what are they called, stocking cap, was blowing me a little bit, so I had to pull that back to really, you know, see the full potential. I'm looking like Frankenstein's wife or something like that. But you know, still look pretty. What was that from? Anyways, I'm getting no topic. So here I'm just going in and I'm cutting my ear tabs. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm finished. Okay, so once my ear tabs were off, I took my scissors and just made one slit down the middle, just so that it was easier to cut off all of this lace. And I just, you know, took my eyebrow razor, made sure I was pulling, you know, one end pretty tight so that the jagged edge was jagged in, you know, just to get that most seamless effect, because this is glueless. So, you know, you do want to kind of zigzaggy, jaggedy, so that you can't see it. Well, so that it's a little bit trickier to catch. That's what the whole illusion is. And also just a little disclaimer, because my sideburns come down like not super duper low, but pretty low, and I'm not about to shave my my sideburns off for no wigs. I'm not doing it. I'm super duper sorry. So yeah, they were a little bit out, but that was fine. I just, you know, put them into my side, like my sideburns with the wig, and everything was fine. But since we're not gluing this down, you guys will be seeing my sideburns, so I just wanted to make that little disclaimer. Okay, and back to raising off this lace. So after all the lace was gone, I wanted to do just a little bit of baby hairs, nothing crazy. I promise they're not crazy at all. So I just carved them out. Obviously it's chopped and screwed a lot, because I'm not gonna torture y'all like that. This one was chopped and screwed a lot, because trying to get stuff similar is so difficult to me. I don't know why. But that was my baby hairs. Like, you know, that's what we was going for. You know, the little two swoops on the side. But I do got a video coming where, you know, I'm doing baby hair, not just like, I don't know, I feel like I got out of the whole full hairline of baby hairs, because like the two swoops on the side was cute, But I forgot how cute the full hairline of baby hairs was. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. Please, I'm excited for that video, and I made it. And I gotta edit it and do all the work for it. But anyways, my camera had cut off, but this is just me combing through the hair. Look how bouncy the curls are. Like, this was such a natural texture. Like, this was curly hair, but like not like a wave. Like, this was actually a curl. Like, this could be, you know, I mean, obviously it was going on somebody's head, but this could be going on somebody's head. But I'm just showing y'all what I was doing to, you know, define my curls. Obviously, we started off with some water just to get some moisture in there. And then I was just spraying this hair down, y'all. I was showing it all to y'all. Taking a minute. But then I'm going in with like that's not a Denman brush, but it's a variation. Probably, who is that from? I think it's a Conair, like detangling brush. Yeah, I think it's from Conair. But any detangling brush will do. You can get a tangle teaser, you can get a Denman brush, you can get a whatever. You can get a paddle brush if you really wanted to get spicy with it. And just make sure that you're going from, you know, tip to root, you know, just to minimize any shedding. With your real hair too, do the same thing. But these curls were so bouncy, like I was mesmerized. And the styling cream that I went in was the Diva Curl styling cream. It was like a cream curl definer. I just picked it up at Marshall's. It did pretty good. For the purpose, it was really moisturizing too. So I liked that. And then to seal everything, and I just threw it in with a little bit of Eco Styler, not a lot, because I didn't want it to get crunchy or nothing like that, or have like a white cast. Because, you know, if you do like your natural hair sometimes, when you try to like a wash and go or something like that, like back in the day when I was, you know, doing my natural hair and stuff, if you put gel over certain products, it'll make like the products will clash, and then you'll get like a cast, like a white cast on your hair, and that looks nasty. So I just made sure I put a tiny bit of gel, not a lot, and these was the ends again. I was just in love with, like, you know, how the curls bounce back, because it's just such a nice texture. Like, look at that. Wow. But this was the hair, you know, all wet up and brushed through, and it wasn't soaking wet, because I don't like for hair to be soaking wet. But yeah, and I'm just gonna let y'all watch what I do with these baby hairs, because if I'm being 100% honest, I can't really explain to y'all what I did. I just can't, because I was having a hard time, because I wanted them to be fluffy, but then I didn't. But just know that I ended up putting a little bit of gel on them and swooping them back. Okay. So after I did my baby hairs and pushed my hairline back, this is when I realized that my sideburns is going to be, like, you know, a part of the wig sideburns. So I just made sure that I swooped them, you know, to match the wig sideburns, so that it looked, you know, a little bit more, you know, seamless and stuff. And yeah, I was just showing y'all that. I don't know actually what I was showing y'all here, because y'all couldn't even see the baby hairs, like my baby hairs. But I was showing y'all, you know, it's still, you know, nothing on this hair. I mean, nothing on this lace, more like, because, you know, it's a lot on the hair. But it's nothing on this lace, you know. I was proud of myself. I've never done a 100% glueless install before. And I feel like because this is probably HG lace, that's what made it, you know, not really need anything to like, you know, melt in, because it looked really, really good. It really did. Like, look at that. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And even with the gel didn't go on the lace. The gel went on the hair. And FYI, you can't slick, you know, you can't put down a wig with Eco Styler gel anyways, babe. Your wig's not staying. Okay, you're gonna go outside thinking it's on. It's not. It's going with the wind. Fabulous. But yeah, this really was the end of this tutorial, honestly. I just was letting y'all see, like, you know, my proof of how glueless this was. And the wig was not going anywhere either. So with the wig construction, I know I should have probably talked about this in the beginning, but you saw the thick elastic band so that it was on there. And then it also had the adjustable straps in the back, which made it so great, along with the combs. So this wig was not going nowhere. Like, I was lifting it up and stuff, but it was kind of like snapping back to my head because, not that it was tight, but it was taut. Okay, it was on there. So just in case you was thinking about getting it thinking it was going to go somewhere, it's not. I promise. The wig can blow all in one. Your wig is staying with you. But thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to LuvMe for sponsoring this video once again, and make sure you stay tuned for the next one.